Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit audio in Adobe Audition. When you launch Adobe Audition, you will see this interface. You can use any workspace that you prefer, but for this exercise, I'm going to use the classic view. To change your workspace, go to the menu and click on Window, choose Workspace, and select the classic. Now let's record your voice to be used in the project. To do this, click on the record button. You will need to give a name for the audio that you're going to record. For this exercise, I'm going to name it as vocal. Once you press OK, you will need to record your voice. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a little girl in a small cottage. Once you press the stop button, the voice that you recorded will be placed inside the file panel. Let's increase the volume of the audio that you recorded by going to the effects menu and then choose amplitude and compression and then normalize. Click on the apply button. You may deselect by clicking anywhere on the waveform, and then you can press the play button to preview the sound. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a little girl in a small cottage. You can now remove the background noise from this vocal. To do this, go to the effects menu and then choose noise reduction or restoration and select noise reduction process. This window will be open. To start, you will need to select an area of the waveform that contains only the noise to reduce. So go to your waveform and select the part that contains the background noise. Then you need to press the Capture Noise Print button. You can customize the noise print by making changes at the noise threshold. Make changes to the noise reduction levels. Then click on the Select Entire File button. Now, press the Apply button. The noise will be removed from the vocal. Now you may preview the vocal. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a little girl in a small cottage. You will notice that the background noise has been removed. Next, click on the Multi-track tab. I'm going to name this session as Project 1. And then press the OK button. Drag the vocal that you recorded into the first track. Now let's import another audio file. Right-click on the File panel, choose Import, and then find the audio file that you're going to use for the project. The file will be imported. Drag the second audio file into another track. In this window, press the OK button. You will see that it will make a copy of the audio file that you imported. Let's align the audio properly by rearranging the track. Preview your project by pressing the play button. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived. Use the razor tool to cut any part from your audio clip. Then go back to the Move tool and select the audio and press delete. Now, to lower the volume of the background music, open up the Essential Sound window. Convert it into a music type of audio. Tick the ducking checkbox and then select the duck against clips without assigned audio type. Close the window and you'll notice that the volume of the background music is lowered when the vocal is played. Preview your output. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a little girl in a small cottage. Let's add a fade out effect to the background music. Use the razor tool to cut and then select the clip, go to clip, fade out, fade out. Use the slider to change the fade out value. You may import another audio file into a different track. Go to File, Import, and browse for your audio file. To export your project, first you will need to go to the multi-track and then select Mix Down Session to New File, Entire Session. It will generate a new file that contains all the audio that you combined. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a little girl in a small cottage. Once you are satisfied with your results, go to File, Save As, and give a name to your audio file. Now you can use your exported file into other media projects. Thank you for watching.